Hey there, friend. Thanks for checking in. Today we're looking at 5 must-have handguns. These are categories of handguns that any enthusiast would be proud to call in their collection. Now, I know some people have a Glock 19 like this and feels that this satisfies all of those categories, and that's cool. But the 5 that I'm going to introduce, I think you'll agree, are pretty great. Let's check them out. The first must-have handgun is the 1911. If you are into history, beauty, and accuracy all in one, the 1911 is for you. You just can't beat that single action trigger pull that breaks right between 3 and 5 pounds. Extremely accurate, very nice handguns, very customizable handguns, and they're actually quite addictive. Once you get one, you need to have 2 or 3, and I just love them. Now you can see this one is custom laser cut all throughout. This is a Desert Eagle commander size. Here we have a Desert Eagle undercover and the Remington R1 stainless. I love 1911s. If you don't have one in your collection, you really should. When I spoke about the 1911s, I said they're addictive. I feel the same way with a quality revolver. This is a Colt Python here, just a beautiful collector's piece, an incredible shooter, and I love owning it and I love showing it off, but it serves so many purposes. For example, to carry the gun, a lot of people carry revolvers, a lot of people pocket carry revolvers. Here's a Kimber K6S, very nice choice, and here's a Magnum Research BFR chambered in 4570. You could hunt with that. The revolvers are extremely reliable. People love them. I love them. They are very addictive, and I cannot speak highly enough of this Colt Python or even those two right there. Next must-have is your favorite range gun, the kind of gun where you dedicate a couple boxes of ammo to at the range just for that gun. It makes your experience complete once you fire that gun. There's everything about that gun that feels great, from your hand to the shooting impressions to how well you shoot it. You just love it. You can't get enough of it, and it's a confidence builder. Your range gun just builds that confidence so that you walk away from that range feeling great. And here we have a Grand Power x-calibur, Steyr M9A1 in OD green, and the CZ SP01 Phantom suits the bill for me. The next must-have is your carry gun. This is no joke. This is an extension of your body, the kind where it just form fits to your body. You love everything about it. You practice with it. You keep it clean, and it feels weird if you don't have it, like uncomfortably weird if you don't have your favorite carry gun on you, and you know that it will be there for you and you will be there for it. It's like your best friend. Your carry gun is so important. Now here we have a Car P9, over here we have a Car PM9, and over here we have an FNS 9C. These are my carry guns. These are the ones I trust. These are the ones that can save my life. I'm sure that you have yours too. It means a lot to you. It's so important that when you walk out of the house, you are confident with that gun on your person. I'm going to include 2 for 1 for the last must-have, and we'll start with this: a small gun, a deep concealed gun, whether it's a small revolver or a semi-auto like this. When your clothes dictate that you cannot have something hanging off your hip or something that is visible or could be seen, you find yourself in a situation where, it might be a gun-free zone or whatever, and you want a small gun to protect yourself, something like this C-Camp LWS would fit the trick. And here we have a Car CW 380. Very small guns, easy to conceal, and not bad shooters either. But also a 22, which I have here. This is a Walther P22. They come suppressor ready with an adapter right there, and I do have a suppressor. So the idea of having a small gun or a 22 that can be suppressed, invaluable and excellent additions to anybody's collection. So there is my opinion to 5 must-have handguns. Let me know what you think, and especially let me know what your 5 must-have handguns are. If you like videos like this, please subscribe and share. I always appreciate thumbs up button. Thanks for watching, and you guys be safe.